13. Find the inverse of the function, then graph the function and its inverse. Here are the steps to find the inverse of a function. If it says f of x, turn that into a y, equals minus 5 third x minus 8. Step 2, change the y, any y's to x and any x's to y. So this is x equals, I'm just going to put this minus with one of the numbers to make it easier later. But minus 5 thirds means either the 5 is negative or the 3 is negative. It doesn't matter which. I'm going to put this as minus 5x over 3. So I can do this easier. Minus 8. Sorry. Remember I said replace the y's with x's. I did that one, and then I forgot to place this x with a y. So it's minus 5y over 3 minus 8. Now solve for y. So I have to add 8 to both sides. X plus 8 equals minus 5y over 3. Now I will multiply both sides by 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 8 is 24 equals minus 5y. Then I'll go up here and continue it. I have to divide both sides by negative 5. 3x plus 24 over minus 5 equals y. How do I graph things? Well, remember, y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept, where it touches the y-axis. Let me see if I can actually get their grid here. Let me see if I can clear this out. Oh, I did. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, let me try to do this. I just want to use their grid. I will use their grid so I can do this more easily. And I want to do that, and then that, and then that. Okay, so now I've pasted the grid. Can I make it a little bit larger? I want to make sure I try to keep it even. That's good enough. All right, I've got the grid. So remember, the B is the y-intercept, where it touches the y-axis. I think I'll do this in red so you can see it. You're going to have to do it in black. So minus 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I not have a pen selected? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to count because I can't see the little numbers. They got blurred. All right, so that's minus 8. And then, remember, the slope is rise. Does it go up or down? If it's negative, it goes down over run. Well, I'm going to, run means left and right. If it's negative, it goes left, positive, right. So I'm going to do negative 5. I'll put the negative with the 5. It goes 5 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I guess I'll go 5 up and then 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 to the left. And then there, I am not an artist. You can draw the best line you can between those two. I'll draw the best one I can. And it looks something like that. So that's the original function. Now what about the inverse? Well, I want to try to get it to look like y equals mx plus b. Since each one of these things are over minus 5, I can do 3x over minus 5 plus 24 over minus 5 equals y. I can separate the terms. Because now I have y equals, here's m, negative 3/5, or 3 over negative 5x, plus b, 24 negative 5. So what's the y-intercept? 24 over negative 5 is 5 goes into 24, 4, and 4 left over, 4 and 4/5, 4.8. So it's negative 4.8, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know this isn't going to be exact. All right, somewhere around there. And then it goes down again, and I'm going to do 3 up and I'll do 3 down and 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. It looks something like that. Now, I might want to try to, well, I'm just going to do my best to draw it. You can figure out where exactly they're supposed to cross and make sure they do that on your graph. But if you draw it accurately enough, you'll have it. So there it is. That's the inverse, and there's the function.